Struggling with a mountain of Uber receipts at the end of every business trip? Constantly hunting through your email for those digital confirmations, only to manually enter them into your expense reports? What if I told you there's a way to make that entire process disappear? A way to have your Uber rides and meals automatically populate into your expense management system, saving you hours of tedious work? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and time-saving integrations for anyone who uses Uber for business, connecting it directly with Expensify. This isn't just about convenience, it's about reclaiming your time, reducing errors, and streamlining your entire reimbursement process. Let's break down how this magic happens. Both Uber and Expensify are designed to make your life easier, and when they work together, it's a beautiful symphony of automation. The core idea is to link your Uber business profile with your Expensify account. This isn't your personal Uber profile, mind you, but the one you designate for work-related travel and expenses. The setup is surprisingly simple. You typically start within your Uber app. Navigate to your profile or settings, look for something like Business Profile or Expensing, and then you'll usually find an option to connect to an expense provider like Expensify. You'll enter the email address associated with your Expensify account, and with a few taps, you're good to go. Once connected, every time you take an Uber ride or order food through Uber Eats using your business profile, the receipt is automatically sent to Expensify. Think about that for a second. No more digging through emails, no more taking screenshots, no more manual data entry. Your ride and meal details, complete with digital receipts, seamlessly flow into your Expensify account. This isn't just about getting the receipt. Expensify's SmartScan technology will automatically categorize the expense for you, making your expense reports practically write themselves. The benefits here are massive. First and foremost, it's about automated expense reporting. Every single business trip you take, every client lunch you order, gets captured and categorized without you lifting a finger. This leads to faster reimbursements because your reports are accurate and ready to submit as soon as the trip is over. It also means digital receipt capture, so you can finally say goodbye to crumpled paper receipts lost at the bottom of your bag. Beyond the immediate convenience, this integration provides greater financial visibility. For individuals, you get a clear picture of your work-related spending. For businesses, managers and finance teams can see real-time expenses, helping with budget management and ensuring compliance with company policies. You can even set up expense codes in Uber to ensure even more accurate categorization within Expensify. Imagine finishing a busy week of client meetings, knowing that all your travel and meal expenses are already neatly organized and ready for submission. That's the power of connecting Uber to Expensify. It frees up your time, reduces stress, and minimizes the risk of errors, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your work. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.